I keep thinking if somebody made a biopic of Hardik Pandya, Dhanush would be the best choice.
But
Piyush
we have
Chawlaவை
to keep
ஞாபகப்படுத்தாதீங்க ப்ளீஸ்.
said
ஐயோ,
T20 is the
நீங்க
best.
சொல்றதெல்லாம் பலிக்குது. நீங்க சொல்றதெல்லாம் பலிக்குது. Dhoni retired and Hardik Pandya just came.
What CSK need to do is put a lot of money, keep a lot of money. Before playing for India, you're an uncapped player. You can go into the auction. And Chahal is not a big, brilliant.
Dhoni forever, Dhoni forever. Dhoni lives on. But அடுத்த வருஷமும் மும்பை இந்தியன்ஸ் தான். கடைசியில அந்த சென்னை போய் வெளியே வந்துட்டாருப்பா, வெளியே வந்துட்டாரு. ஹலோ ஆல், எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு ஆஸ்திரேலியால T20 மேட்ச் சிட்னில பின்னி பெடல் எடுத்துட்டாங்க நம்ம இந்தியா. So with a very celebratory note, I go into today's Let's Talk Cricket with L. Sivaramakrishnan. So without further ado, let's call upon our star expert, LS. Hi LS, you're looking awesome today. I love your t-shirt.
Yeah, every time I come on the show, I want to wear a T-shirt with significance. I wore the TNPL T-shirt for Natarajan, and I'm wearing and we won.
Lucky t-shirt, ஜெயிச்சிட்டோம்.
This
இன்னைக்கும்
T-shirt,
நடராஜன் பண்ணிருக்காரு.
this T-shirt, I'm proudly wearing because it's 35 years old and I'm still fitting in it. It is the World Championship of Cricket, 1985. That shirt.
கேமராவை இறக்கி காட்டுங்க. There you go. Oh my God, this is awesome. This is so cool.
Second ever time India played in colors. And the first ever time after the 1983 World Cup. 83 World Cup was in whites. They played over 60 overs. But this was the World Championship of Cricket in Australia, where we won very convincingly. A lot of people remember Ravi Shastri winning the Audi car. And a memorable performance for the Tamil
அதுவா? ஆமா, ஆமா, ஆமா. Champion of champions.
Correct. So he won the Audi car. But அதுல வந்துட்டு the highest wicket taker was me in the whole tournament. By any player in the tournament, highest wicket taker was me, and the highest run scorer was Krishnamachari Srikanth. So both from Tamil Nadu contributed in a significant manner for that victory in the World Championship. And we are having another Tamil Nadu boy who is making waves.
I think 1983க்கு அப்புறம் இப்பதான் திருப்பி ரெண்டு தமிழ் பசங்க பின்றாங்க. They're spinning circles around the Australian batsmen. I think today again, Natarajan, fantastic, absolutely fantastic. And Washington Sundar, very interesting wicket. Let's talk about both of them.
Yeah, Natarajan was outstanding. I mean, when the opposition gets 195, you bowled 4 overs, 20 runs, and 2 wickets. It was really outstanding, fantastic. And it's really a great cricketing story to be told to each and every one of us. Comes from a small town, 20, 30 kilometers away from Salem, playing tennis ball cricket till the age of 20. And suddenly at the age of 28, 29, he finds himself in very high group with the best in the world, and he's delivering the goods. No pressure, nothing. That is what I think these small town boys do. We saw Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
அவருக்கு கஷ்டம் பார்த்து பழகி என்ன இவ்வளவுதானே அப்படின்னு ஒரு தைரியத்தோடயே இறங்குறாரு இல்ல. என்ன மிஞ்சி மிஞ்சி போனா என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரியே இறங்குறாரு அவரு.
He said, if not for cricket, I would have become a coolie. So life now can't get worse for him. He's been around the circuit, IPL circuit for the last 3 years. TNPL has given birth to him.
TNPL is the reason today Natarajan is killing it on the international stage.
I'll say TNPL gave birth to him, IPL nurtured him, and now India will have to look at his future and make sure that he's guided properly.
Amala, when you find a diamond in the rough, the least we can do is encourage such talent. I mean, imagine the kind of inspiration he is for all those kids in Tamil Nadu today. இன்னைக்கு டென்னிஸ் பால் கிரிக்கெட் ஆடிட்டு இருக்கிற அந்த ஊருக்கு ஊர் ஆடிட்டு இருக்கிற டீம்ஸ்ல எத்தனை பேருக்கு இப்போ
Bumrah was the same. He used to play tennis ball cricket with that awkward action. And then he came into cricket ball. And then Mumbai Indians picked him, and there's no looking back after that.
I think IPL, TNPL and all these முன்னாடிலாம் நம்மளுக்கு அந்த லீக் கிரிக்கெட்லாம் விளையாடுவோமே அப்போ இல்லாத ஒரு ஒரு ரெக்கக்னிஷன் ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி இப்போ கிடைக்குது இல்ல பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் this
Television.
league cricket television. Yes,
Television coverage is so important. Television coverage, and people in the IPL, well, 8 teams now, each team say on an average have 3 or 4 scouts, and they go and watch all these T20 tournaments run by various state associations. In the TNPL, a lot of people come because they know Tamil Nadu has a lot of potential. The one thing is, Tamil Nadu, I'm saying we don't combine as a team together in Ranji Trophy, but white ball cricket, we won the Vijay Hazare tournament, we won the Syed Mushtaq Ali tournament. Tamil Nadu is white ball king, and you will find a lot of fine players from Tamil Nadu in white ball cricket. So these scouts come around Tamil Nadu picking up people. You see a lot of Tamil Nadu boys playing for various teams in the IPL. If only in the next auction, if all these Tamil Nadu boys can be brought to CSK, that will be awesome.
கடைசில அந்த சென்னை பாய் வெளிய வந்துட்டாருப்பா வெளிய வந்துட்டாரு. It
ஆமா,
will be awesome. இப்ப
now I
நடராஜன்
think-
யாருக்கு ஹைதராபாத்துக்கு அடிக்கிட்டு இருக்காருல்ல.
ஆமா.
சுந்தரம் சென்னைக்கு கிடையாது.
No, on the retaining clause. Now he becomes a capped player because he's played for India. Before playing for India, you're an uncapped player. You can go into the auction. Now will Sunrisers retain him because you're going to be allowed only 4 or 5 to retain. So Tamil Nadu has produced a lot of people. What CSK need to do is put a lot of money, keep a lot of money for the right people that they want. Rebuild the team. We bought some players with big money, Piyush Chawla, Watson, etc., etc. But we have to keep the big bucks for these boys, Tamil Nadu boys.
Okay, let's get back to the actual match. Sydneyல இது வரைக்கும் only தோத்துட்டு தான் இருந்தோம். So today breaks another jinx. We won in Sydney and we won against a formidable total. அவங்க வந்து even though we opted to bat second, Australia put up a huge total.
Yeah, they did. Yeah, they did put up a big score because of Matthew Wade, the captain, opening the batting. They made a change in the batting order because they thought they'll replace David Warner. With David Warner not being available, they thought they'll have a left-hander at the top of the innings. And he played beautifully. Matthew Wade getting 58 in just 30-odd balls, setting up a good
did you think, பார்க்கும்போது நீங்க நினைச்சீங்களா போச்சு, they've taken 20 extra runs, 175 would have been a good total, இப்ப காலி, we are going to scramble நினைச்சீங்களா?
Yeah, I'm going to give you more information, give our viewers a lot more information than what they got on television. See, what I thought, I was confident India will get it back because they played on a side pitch. It was not the center pitch. They played on a side pitch where one side of the boundary was short. So you could target one side of the ground where the boundary was short and score a lot of runs. Even a miss hit went for a 6. Maxwell missed it Chahal and it went for a 6. The other side was a longer boundary. This is where India made the mistake. While bowling, well, the reason why they conceded 190 plus was they bowled Chahal coming as concussion substitute, man of the match. Now he plays in the 11 and goes 4 overs, 51 runs. And I'll tell you the reason why. Having done 20 years of commentary and been around the first class circuit for 20 years, they see the longer boundary and ask him to bowl leg stump. Now I feel a leg spinner should be bowling only leg stump if the ball's turning. And Chahal is not a big turner of the ball. And as a leg spinner, you have 5 fielders on the offside. You want the ball to go to the offside. The leg side boundary might be long, but the leg spinner's strength is turning the ball away from the right-handed batsman and force him to play through covers. If he's looking to fetch it from outside the line of off stump, he has to reach out quite a bit. So I thought Chahal bowled the wrong line. He bowled onto the pads and that's why he suffered today.
That's a very interesting point of view because இந்த அளவுக்கு டெக்னிக்கலா யாரும் யோசிச்சிருக்க மாட்டாங்க. இப்போ commentaries also, they kind of, they're more mainstream, if you will, and not very technical or statistical these days. So it's nice to get that insight from you that only a bowler can give, that only a leg spinner can give.
That
So
only a intelligent Tamil boy can give.
there we go. I'm all for accepting all Tamilians are intelligent. So um, getting back to, but there are other people watching our show as well. No? So you
Yeah.
guys are intelligent.
No, we're going to come to them. We're going to come to the Mumbai Indians
So
as well.
Adda. So at one point I thought, and you have to understand, I'm shooting and watching scraps of the match. So most of my input is from a hurried highlights in the end, right? So I thought when um, Australia finished up that we had maybe a Sydney வேற தோத்துருவோம், it's a steep total அப்படின்னு நினைச்சேன். But I spoke without, and I have this bias. I keep thinking Rohit Sharma is not there, Bumrah was not there, Jadeja was not there. So we didn't have our regular team. Had more of a newer, more of a half a team really, and then Hardik Pandya happens.
They also made one change in terms of Manish Pandey not playing and getting in Shreyas Iyer.
Shreyas
So,
Iyer.
yeah, Hardik Pandya was unbelievable. I mean, in the last few months, along with Jadeja, he
20
has
பால்
been
கொடுத்தா 40 ரன் 50 ரன் அடிக்கிறாரு. I mean, he's made a habit of it now.
First, we got a good start. We got a 50 plus start with Rahul chipping in. Again, my emphasis on Rahul opening the innings in all formats stands
Yes.
good. Shikhar
I
Dhawan
think
getting a nice half century. So that sets up a nice platform. Virat Kohli got a good 40. And then, Shreyas Iyer fell early. Shreyas Iyer came a little later because Hardik Pandya was promoted. Hardik Pandya is unbelievable. I mean, he goes deep in the crease and clears his front leg, and he has this option from hitting from point to square leg. And he's a very, very strong boy. I mean, he is something like a West Indian, wiry, but
he's
very.
so wiry, he's so thin, but அந்த கையெல்லாம் பார்த்தா ஒரு like I keep thinking if somebody made a biopic of Hardik Pandya, Dhanush would be the best choice because they're both thin but so strong.
You've seen the fastest bowlers in the world. In those years, it was Michael Holding. He was very, very slim, very strong. And then we saw somebody like a Brett Lee, slim, fit, and really fast. So the slimness is something that gives you athleticism. Athleticism is so important in this sport because you generate power with your entire body. It's not only the hands that come through. I mean, you use all your body to give it a really big whack. And I think Hardik Pandya has worked really, really hard on his batting, and it shows. My first sight of Hardik Pandya was about 6 years ago in Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. And I called up Ravi Shastri and I said, Ravi was the director of the team at that point of time, Ravi Shastri. So I told him, here's a young cricketer, raw cricketer, but a brilliant cricketer. You need to nurture him. And he was picked for the Indian team straight away. After that, it's been brilliant for India.
ஹார்திக் பாண்டியாவை பார்க்கும்போது எனக்கு it's amazing. He's Hardik Pandya has made it a habit now of also finishing the game for us with a few balls to spare. இன்னைக்கும் கடைசி பால் சிக்ஸரா?
Last over, 14 runs required. He took 2 runs of the first ball, then a dot ball, then a 6 and a 6.
And a
So
six.
he says, I don't want to take it to the last ball like our Talaivar used to do. Tala Dhoni.
Exactly. This
Tala
guy is
Dhoni
from
would take
Mumbai.
it to the end.
It was like Dhoni retired and Hardik Pandya just came neatly filled his space in white ball cricket.
But if you notice, Kasturi, I mean, Mumbai Indians play in CSK. Before the match and after the match, Hardik Pandya and MS Dhoni chat quite a bit. They are very good friends. Hardik Pandya goes for Dhoni's birthday. They take holidays together. So they spend a lot of time together. Dhoni is the kind of person, he has few friends, but very, very good friends.
Looks
So
like he
having
influenced Pandya also.
Yeah, so being close to somebody like a Dhoni, I mean, he would have learnt a lot by execution. I mean, what Dhoni does on the field of play would have been shared, And he's now executing it to perfection. That's brilliant.
Dhoni forever, Dhoni forever. Dhoni lives on. But Ana one LS.
Yep.
அடுத்த வருஷமும் மும்பை இந்தியன்ஸ் தான் ஐபிஎல் வின் பண்ண போறாங்க. ரோஹித் சர்மா இல்லவே இல்ல. But still, when you look at people like Hardik Pandya and Bumrah, you're like, okay, it's going to be IPL is Mumbai Indians only.
Yeah, they're a very, very strong unit. Unless we do something dramatic. We found Rituraj Gaikwad. When we say we, yeah, when we say we, I'm talking about Chennai Super Kings. Rituraj Gaikwad is really good towards the end of the IPL. And in the auction, we need to find some of our own boys, Tamil Nadu boys, and some youngsters, and groom them for the future. Don't expect immediate results.
Yeah, youngsters, you can say that again. We've been playing with the same team for like 4 years now without a change. I mean, it's scary. The average age. Anyway, we digress. This is not about CSK. This is about Team India rocking it in Sydney today. Talk about that Wade wicket.
Yeah, Matthew Wade was a strange dismissal. Washington Sundar should have got a wicket. It was a good delivery, extra bit of bounce, and he tried to work.
சுந்தருக்கு ஒரு விக்கெட் எல்லாம் போயிடுச்சு.
He tried to work it to the leg side, leading edge, dolly catch. Adhoda simple catch varave varade. I mean, it was the simplest chances to Virat Kohli in the cover region. He dropped it. Matthew Wade was in the middle of the pitch thinking Virat Kohli will take the catch. He dropped the catch and then threw the ball to KL Rahul at the wicketkeeper's end, and Matthew Wade was in the middle of the pitch to run out. So Virat Kohli, even though he dropped the catch and Washington Sundar should have got a wicket, ultimately India got a wicket, the run out of Matthew Wade, because he was going at a very good strike rate.
Important.
Yeah, very, very important.
It destroyed the groove of Australia at that point. So yeah, I think அதை தவிர இன்னைக்கு என்ன இருந்துச்சு? Not much.
My predictions came true. Yeah, said T20.
நீங்க சொல்றதெல்லாம் பலிக்குது. You said one day international, you bet your money on Australia. T20, you bet your money on India. And today we've wrapped up the series. இப்போ மூணாவது ஒரு மேட்ச் இருக்கு, அதுவும் சிட்னி தான். I think of statistical importance. So, do you think we are going to go forward with the same winning team and push forward, or do you think we are going to experiment on some probables for the World Cup? Check out a few players, change the order a bit.
I think having won the series, we should try and see what is best for the World Cup. We are building towards the World Cup and see who will be the standby players, because as it is, we have 3 or 4 main players not playing in the side. But we have to develop the bench strength in case somebody gets injured, because they play so much of cricket these days. They play Test cricket, T20, one-dayers, everything. In case somebody gets injured, and luckily the T20 World Cup is going to happen in India, and the Indians know the Indian pitches and the outfield really well. So if there is a replacement to be sought, you want him to know he's in the scheme of things. So I'd like the Indian team to use their reserve bench strength, give them an opportunity, and see how they go.
I agree with you.
In our last World Cup, the 50-over World Cup, they said Ambati Rayudu is number 4. But finally, Ambati Rayudu didn't go. Vijay Shankar went. So we need to have things in order. A like-for-like replacement. I mean, if somebody gets injured, you need a like-for-like replacement.
That is true. That is so true. If we have an opener injured, then we need a wicket keeper. We need people to take over, like-for-like replacement. But mainly bowling. Pacer, medium pacer. இப்ப நீங்க சொல்ற மாதிரி போன வாட்டி ஆஃப் ஸ்பின்னருக்கு லெக் ஸ்பின்னர் தான் கொடுக்க முடியும்னாக்க maybe it will get more controversial. Hopefully those kind of things don't happen all the time, but so here's a question. Today's debut, Sanju Samson.
Oh, he's a mighty good player. He's a very, very good player. I mean, he's got the skills, everything. But one thing that Sanju Samson needs to learn is to be consistent. Because he can't get runs in 2 matches and fail for 2 matches. Your dependency as a batsman, when India plays 5 bowlers, 6 batsmen have to do the job. So 8 out of 10 matches if you score, or 7 out of 10 matches if you score, that is a high level of consistency, not 3 or 4 matches. somebody who's got the skills and the ability as Sanju Samson. He can also keep wickets. So he's a handy player in the team. You don't have to bring a Rishabh Pant to upset the balance of the side. If KL Rahul gets injured, you can always have Sanju Samson keep. And
Interesting.
Rohit Sharma is still there to open around. So there's not too many tampering around with the side. So Sanju Samson has to become consistent. He's got to aim to get the convert the 20s, 30s into 60s and 70s.
Mm, Fair enough. My last question: man of the match. Uh, who did you think was going to be man of the match?
Usually, when they play cricket in India, the commentators decide who's the man of the match. I don't know what happens in Australia, but in a batting dominated game, 190 plus being chased down, a bowler who bowls 4 overs, 20 runs, and 2 wickets has to be the standout performer. In fact, Hardik Pandya, who was adjudged the man of the match,
Speechless சொன்னாரு.
was very, very gracious. He said this man of the match award deserves to be given to Natarajan because he was one bowler who was miserly and picked up wickets, and he really is the man of the match. And that really is gracious from Hardik Pandya.
Well, I think the day is not far off before Natarajan becomes man of the match, and it won't be the last time either. He is full of fire, and the Australians have no idea how to deal with him. So, வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. Looking forward to see more of our Tamil Pasanga. Looking forward to seeing more of the Indian Blitzkrieg in the next match down under, and looking forward to talk to you again, Elas. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Pleasure talking to you always.
Looking forward to seeing what lucky t-shirt you'll be wearing next time around.
Yeah, I'll have to look into my cupboard. Imagine 35 years.
அப்படியே இருக்கீங்க, மாறவே இல்லை.
Thank you very much.
All right then. Good night.
Bye bye.